Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use testimonial shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of testimonial shortcode. Testimonial is the best way to showcase your existing client's word about your work quality, services and work. Testimonials blocks also build your great reputation by expressing the trust that other people having you and your business offering. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on testimonial element. You can see testimonial element settings and pop up here. POFO provide 3 different testimonials styles. You can check its front end look with image preview. Let me go with testimonial style 1. Here you can upload your client image. Image thumbnail size. In case if you have uploaded bigger size of image, then you can use any thumbnail cropped version. Let me select original full size. Enter client name and client designation. You can switch off content if you do not want to show it in front end. Style tab. You can change text case of client name and designation like lowercase, uppercase or capitalize. You can also change box background color from default white background color to your desired color. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of client name and designation. Font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc. Italic font on-off, change font color, font underline on-off. Suppose you have entered big font size like 50 pixel, then in all devices client name will display with 50 pixel font size. So if you want to use a responsive font in smaller devices, then you can switch on this option. Go to extra tab. This is element id. You can assign unique id to your element, then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child theme style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. Wow, it's look awesome with entered information. Now let me select 3 columns and create duplicate copy of this created testimonial and move it to other 2 columns. In second column, let me select testimonial style 2. In style tab, there are some new options based on style 2. Quote icon on off, set icon size and icon color and other things are same as style 1. In third column, let me select testimonial style 3. Save changes and preview it. You can see all 3 different testimonials style with different 3 columns as we have selected, and it looks fine. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme, you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.